Hi guys, welcome to Friendship Shaving. In the words of my friend Graham, aka Flash Boredom, this is a non-shaving shaving video, and I thought I'd show you what I've been up to recently and share with you some products that I've received from friends. So the first thing I've been doing is restoring this little ever-ready box. It came in a very bad way. I've had to sand it all down and restain the wood, but it's come out reasonably well. I'm quite pleased with it, and you can see the ever-ready emblem. I've not taken that to being completely shiny. I've just given it a little brief polish. I didn't want to make that look too new. The strange thing is though that it's for this little razor, which I believe is, I can't see on it, that's what it says inside, look, ever ready, Brooklyn, New York, USA. It flips from the back, so it's interesting, but the thing that bothers me most is that the handle seems to be too small for the box. So I'm not exactly sure if that is the correct razor for this box or not. So if you have any ideas, I'd love to hear. But I'm quite pleased with that. I used a little bit of satin varnish on there and it was good advice. So yeah, very pleased with that. So I've been working on that, and I've had some stuff come in the post from my friend Paul again. Now the first thing I've got is Spike Men shaving cream, and it's German. I've certainly I've used this in a week, but before that I've not come across it before. It smells very nice. It's a light lavender scent, but the spike is used to be called spica, S-P-I-C-A, and it is an alpine plant, and it's got some of that in it. It gives it a slightly deeper sort of scent than just the lavender. When I used it in a week, it lathered up beautifully, and when I was putting it on, it was had a very nice face feel when you were putting it on. Very nice soap. Made my chest a little tight, just a tiny bit. So I'll be wanting to use this again just to try and make sure that it doesn't suit me. But they do an aftershave, and I think it would be quite a good aftershave to have, sort of a lavender aftershave, and I think that would go well with quite a few of the soaps I've got that have got lavender in it, and it would obviously go with a barbershop type scent. So I think rather than trying to buy a soap and buy its matching aftershave, I think what I'm trying to do is buy an aftershave that would go with a group of soaps. So I may well look into a Spike aftershave. As I say, the scent was lovely, the soap was really nice putting it on, and it was very good. So, talking of aftershaves, this one I bought myself. It is Tabac Gentleman's Care, and it is an energising shampoo. Now I thought this would be quite a light scent. Just struggling to get into the box here. It's it smells of pear, and there's a little bit of lavender as the middle notes. And when you open it up, it smells really quite pleasant. But it's a heavier scent than I thought, and as you wear it, there's a sort of what I call a real heaviness to the scent. It's not for me, unfortunately. I've only used it the once, but it's not for me. It's a bit of a shame because it cost me €20, but at some point I'll be swapping that out for something else. But yes, it is from tobacco, obviously, but I think it's Mora and Wirtz are the parent company, and I have some Irish Moose, which I like very much, but it certainly is a strong scent and smacks you round the face. So I think they're perhaps renowned for doing strong scented aftershaves, which is a bit of a shame. But I have got this aftershave. Ooh. Sent through, and it is the Old Spice Wolfthorn. Now, I've not used this before. It comes in the usual sort of Old Spice container. The light's bouncing in from that window, but perhaps you can see that there. And when I smell this, I don't know what's in it, but when I smell this, I'm getting sort of oranges. I must have a look on the website and see, what the scent profile is, but I'm kind of picking up oranges. I'll tell you what, I'm going to put some on my wrist. There we go. I want to make sure that cap is properly on there. So we'll let that settle in and see what it comes up like. But yeah, I'm definitely getting a scent of some oranges. Now, Paul also got me another shaving cream from Veleda, I think this is pronounced, another German company, and it's quite strange really that Paul went on holiday to Spain and picked up these products in a German chemist. There's something quite ironic about that. I've not used this one yet. You can perhaps tell from the colour of the packet that it is a lavender scented shaving cream. Now, unfortunately, I've mixed it up a little bit with the scent on my wrist, but this is a stronger lavender than the Spike. Very nice. Now, I got sent these because I mentioned in a video when I had folliculitis that I was using a lavender face soap, and it was helping me, and I was trying to use products with lavender in them as it is a natural sort of antiseptic, and it certainly has helped with my folliculitis. So Paul sent me these through, and I think that's that's really nice, isn't it? So thank you very much, Paul. I really appreciate it. Very kind indeed. Now I've got a little shaving stick by Lee or Leah, made in 1823. It says it's for sensitive skin, and it's certainly not very strong, but in the background, right in the background, there's kind of a similar scent to maybe the Boots shaving stick, and a little bit like the Latoa. There is some sort of similarity, perhaps a barbershop type. Anyway, that's quite a pleasant smell, certainly, and I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, very mild scent indeed. It is a new perfume formula, as it says there in the little red. If you can read that. There we are. Now, I also got some things from my friend Gordon up towards Middlesbrough. Now I've got this Crown Shaving Company Tried and True Shave Cream. This is the jar it comes in, and on the lid it says for vagabonds, gentlemen and ruffians. And I don't know which one I am, but I'd like to think I was a vagabond. So now this, let me read what is in this. It has got in licorice root extract, white ginger, olive leaf extract, pine bark extract, pomegranate extract, rosemary leaf extract, grapeseed, presumably for the oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, and eucalyptus. So quite a few things in there, but the biggest thing in it is it's got spearmint in it. And when you take the lid off, that's the, you maybe can't see the light, it's just coming in too much, but it's a very soft cream, very soft indeed, and that is a real belt of peppermint. It really is, I think, going to smack you around the face when you use this. I've not tried it yet. I've been waiting for a really nice day to get that out. If I rub it into my hands, I've got all sorts going on. I've got peppermint, orange. I must admit I can't smell that aftershave anymore because of the peppermint, but God, that is strong. That is strong. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And final two things from Gordon. He has sent me some Elios blades. They are inoxidable. I'm not quite sure what that means, but that's what they are. They're meant to be quite sharp blades. And he's also kindly sent me from Italy this little plastic chevette, which you can see. Now, Gordon says that he hasn't managed to use this yet without cutting himself, so he bought one for me as well. I think that's a good thing. But you can see perhaps that I'm just trying to catch the light, the cap is rounded, and without a blade that feels like quite an intuitive kind of angle there, so it'll be interesting to see. Very lightweight, obviously, as you would expect, because it's plastic. It just unscrews here and the blade pops in. So I will be trying that on the channel sometime soon. So there we go, that's quite a bit to be going on with, and I'm very grateful to Gordon and Paul. Thank you very much, fellas, and I hope you've enjoyed this little preview of what will be appearing in my future shaves. And as I say, I would love to know a little bit more about this box and this little razor. It is for the USA. You maybe can't see, but right on the bottom of this Ever Ready stamp it says Made in USA in very, very tiny letters. But as I say, the razor just doesn't seem to fit. So I'd be interested. That's me. I hope you're having a good week. I'll see you at the usual time, and take care of yourselves. All the best now. Ta-ra.